Hello, friends. Welcome to my modern education and lifestyle channel. I have prepared specially for you daily activities, pictures, meaning, and examples. Build your child's vocabulary, learn English speaking practice, listen and repeat. Represented by myself, Mr. Yellappa Mahadev Wagmare, Assistant Teacher, हबप आबा सावंत माध्यमिक विद्यालय तोंडली पिलवली, तालुका चिपळूण, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी, स्टेट महाराष्ट्र, इंडिया. Go to shopping. Example: I have to go shopping. I will be back in an hour. Most of us like to have a good selection to choose from when we go shopping. Have a breakfast, meaning breakfast is the meal one eats in the morning, before noon, usually after waking up, and may consist of different foods depending on culture. Some eateries will serve an all day breakfast, and the first meal of the day, when taken late, might be referred to as brunch, means breakfast and lunch. Example: they had breakfast at the hotel. American breakfasts will typically involve any or all of coffee, juices, eggs, cereals, bacon, pancakes, sausages, toasts, possibly with butter and jelly, waffles, maple syrup, hash browns, home fries, donuts, muffins, fruit, or yogurt. Have a dinner. Example: I would like to have dinner with you. Wondering what he is going to have for dinner. You are not going to have dinner at all. Does this means we can have dinner tonight? And I was always going off to crowded bars when I really would have prepared to just have a nice dinner with friends. We want you to have dinner with us. Will you have dinner with me? Again he sent forth other servants, saying, tell them that are bidden, behold, I have made ready my dinner. My oxen and my fatlings are killed, and all things are ready. Come to the marriage feast. Have a lunch. Example: I want you to have lunch. I would like to have lunch with you. Let us have lunch or coffee one afternoon next week. Let us have lunch. Students have brunch and lunch. This is one day I didn't have to worry if my sweet boy ate lunch alone. Where does he have lunch? You can have lunch as long as you wash your hands first. Have shower. The act of washing yourself with a shower, especially British English. Here, meaning to be aware of sounds with your ears, to listen or pay attention to somebody or something. Example, I can't hear very well. I couldn't hear anything. I heard a car drive off. Didn't you hear what I said? Did you hear that play on the radio last night? Have you ever heard him lecture? I hear what you are saying. I have listened to your opinion, but you are wrong. Hit, meaning to bring your hand or an object you are holding against somebody or something quickly and with force. Hit somebody or something. My parents never used to hit me. Hit somebody or something with something. He hit the nail squarely on the head with the hammer. She hit him on the head with her umbrella. Hit something or somebody to come against something or somebody with force, especially causing damage or injury. The bus hit the bridge. I was hit by a falling stone. Hold. Example. Can you hold the bag while I open the door? He was holding a gun. The little girl held her mother's hand. He held her in his arm. Could you hold the door open, please? Rosie held out an apple for the for the horse. All those who agree, please hold up your hand. Hold the baby, meaning hold the baby. Hold the baby up, meaning hold the baby up. Homework. Work that is given by teachers for students to do at home. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my modern education and lifestyle channel for the next English speaking video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.